All right, they had this on sale at Costco for a walloping $28. So we're going to check it out and see if it works. All right, it's always a pain getting this stuff out of here, but you need the razor blade. You got to cut around all the edges like I just did, and then pull the thing out. There's the camera. And it comes with a tripod and a bunch of accessories that you can use to hook it up to your surfboard or helmet or whatever the hell you're going to use. There's a tripod right there. And most of it is compatible with GoPro products, so that's kind of a plus. And there's all the different things. The cameras. I think they're all made in the same place. Let's take a look at this. This looks just like the ones I bought on Amazon, but this one's cheaper. So I'm kind of excited to see how it works. And this is what it looks like. Now this one's a little bit different. It doesn't have a 170, it's got a 120, so it's going to be a little tighter focus. But I mean, basically, it looks exactly the same as every other one that I've ever gotten. And let's see if it turns on. Yep, there she goes. So that's what it looks like there. And as you can see, it's looking right up at me right now. And that's your 120 shot. Let me pull it this way so you can see it. There I am, see me? Right there. And so that works that way. So let's take a look at this here. So if I click it, it's going to give me no card, video resolution. So now I'm on the setup, and let's take a look at this. So I'm going through the setup. And I'm going to go to the date stamp. I'm going to click on that. And I'm gonna turn that off because I don't like having the date on it. So I'm just gonna turn it off by clicking up here. All right, that's that. And I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna click on the front. And it's gonna move it. And we're gonna go right back. And now we're on video. So now I've got to check the video setting. It's on a 3-minute timer. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to settings. I'm gonna make sure that we're in. I'm going to go to video resolution. I'm going to click on there. And I'm going to keep it right at that. That's the 1080. And it'll be at 1920 times 1080 is what I'm going to be shooting. So that's what we're going to keep it at. And so we're going to go ahead and click that. And then we're going to click this to get out of here. And we're right back. And we're right on the record button. So if I press this, oh, it wants me to insert the card. I got to do that. Hang on. Got to get the card out of here. It comes with an 8 gigabyte card, which won't give you very much, but yeah, it's better than nothing, I guess. I've got 32 gig cards upstairs, but just for the sake of demonstration, we're going to put this one in there. That's what it looks like. And so we got to open it up. And it gives you one of these bigger cards that you can stick it in. But anyway, so this is the card. And the way you got to put it in is you got to put it in backwards, like this. And then you got to push it in. And it'll make a little snapped sound once it's in there. And now we're ready to go. So now if I press this button, it should give us some indication that we're recording. Let's try it. There it is. It gives me all those things. And it's given me a beeping light. So let's take a look at that. And it's telling me how many seconds. And it also tells me I'm on 1080 HD. So that should be 1080 HD. And we'll check that out. We're going to see how that works. I'm going to go around the room and then we'll go look at it on the computer later. Yeah. All right. I'm going to turn it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this. The way you turn the whole thing off is you're going to press on this and hold it. Watch, I'll do it. I press on it, hold it. And it takes a little while, but then it turns off. Now you're in off mode. But I have to charge it. The way it works on this thing here is you just slide it in. Close this. This comes around the top. Bam, done. ready to go. And these cases are pretty light. And I think they might be waterproof too. All right, so that's the this new camera that I bought. All right, so this is the video that I got off of the camera, and as you can see, it's not very good. And I have the latest version of Final Cut Pro, and it had a hard time recognizing the format on this video, and I had to convert it. But I mean, check this out. This is horrible. I don't recommend buying this. What I would do is purchase a little bit more expensive one. All right, that's it. Bought it at Costco for 28 bucks. We'll see how she works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on cameras and all kinds of other junk. Peace out.